Hey y'all, it's Allie. No, just kidding, it's Jen. But recently I was able to go down to San Antonio with my husband celebrating our 20th wedding anniversary. And we decided to go to San Antonio because we wanted to go to someplace hot. And actually we were considering moving there a few months ago, but we've since changed our mind and we got it all settled out. We're staying here in Washington for now. But we did decide to take that trip, and we were able to see Allie, and I got to meet her family. And but first we went, and we just okay, let me just say that my favorite kind of vacation is one that you go and you truly just relax. You don't have every detail, every moment of every hour of every day planned out, and you just relax. You take in the scenery, you go do what you want to do, you walk places, and to me that's a really great vacation. I loathe scheduled to the nth degree vacations, loathe them, and as soon as I hear about one of them, I just am like, ugh, no thank you, I'm not interested in that. But anyway, that is what we did. We went down to San Antonio. My husband and I did not make any solid plans before we got there. I knew I wanted to go see Allie, and hi Allie, but I knew I wanted to go see her and meet her family because she has come to visit me, I don't know, 4 times, maybe more, over the last 3 years, and I wanted to go and meet her family. It was really nice meeting her husband and her 2 boys for the first time. We actually, the first thing we did, I think, was go to the zoo, and so we did go see a bunch of different animals, which I really love seeing animals that I've never seen before, but something inside me is just sad when I see them living not in the wild. And it is a good zoo, actually. They do help populate dying species, so I feel like that's at least a good thing. But it was nice to go to the zoo and see all the different kinds of animals, and we had a good time there. And the next day we went to the aquarium and met up with Allie, and she got to feed some stingrays. And they wanted me to do it, but I don't want to stick my fingers in water and have something come and eat out of them. It didn't sound like fun to me, but I had a blast watching Allie and my husband feed the stingrays, and they got to pet them and touch them. They're like little sea dogs. They're cute. They're really cute. But we had a good time there, and you know, we just saw the sights. So I took lots and lots of video clips of the trip, and I put them all together so that you could see kind of what we did, I guess. And if you're from the San Antonio area, then you're going to recognize quite a bit of this, and if you're not, then you know, just look up San Antonio and it'll all make sense to you. But let's see, the last day we went and saw the Alamo, and that was very, very interesting. And me, like, not paying attention, I was recording a video inside of the Alamo, and the lady came up and she's like, just a friendly reminder, we don't allow video or photos here. You know, this is a place of reverence. So I was like, oopsie, and I turned the camera off. But I did get lots of footage outside, so at least there's that. Alright guys, here is my compilation of clips from the trip.